Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the passcode lock and fingerprint in Zangi Messenger for extra security. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and open it, and as soon as you open it, you can see the settings option. Then what you need to do is click on privacy, and you can see the passcode lock and fingerprint option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see that you can add a passcode lock to Zangi to make your account more private. If you want to turn it on, just go ahead and click on turn passcode lock on. Go ahead and enter a code for yourself, and you can enter the passcode once again. After you do this, you can see that the passcode has been enabled. Now, if you want to turn it off, you can just go ahead and click on it, click on OK, and it'll be turned off. But if you want to enable it again, just go ahead and click on it, and you can enter a new code and confirm the code. You can see the change passcode option. If you want to change your passcode, you can go here and change your passcode as well. And you can see the auto lock option. You can see that you can change the auto lock. There are some available minutes like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and 5 hours. So you can do this. And if you want to unlock with your fingerprint, you can do this as well. Go ahead and enable it, and you can easily unlock with fingerprint as well. So now the extra security will be turned on, and after you log out of your account, or after you enable this button, you can see after a minute you will be locked out of this account, and you will now have to go to the passcode and write down the passcode. So it's quite easy, guys. All you need to go to privacy, go to passcode and lock fingerprint. You can go ahead and write down your passcode or enable the fingerprint and access your app. So guys, I hope this video about how you can enable the passcode lock and fingerprint on Zangi app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.